Here I'm starting a power steering fluid flush on a 2011 Toyota FJ Cruiser. First, the old power steering fluid is drained from the system. Over time, this fluid breaks down and can cause noise, stiff steering, and added wear on steering components. Next, the return line is routed into a drain container. While adding fresh fluid, the system is cycled to push the old fluid out. You can see the fluid color change from dark and contaminated to clean and fresh as the flush continues. Once the fluid runs clean, the return line is reconnected and properly clamped. The reservoir is then filled to the correct level with new power steering fluid. After final checks, the cap is installed and the area is cleaned. The service is complete. Routine power steering maintenance like this helps keep steering smooth and extends the life of the pump and rack, especially on vehicles like the FJ Cruiser.